Hi y'all, this is Venom Bigfoot. I haven't posted a video in a while, but this is in my backyard. This hawk, it grabbed something, and all these blackbirds and birds are attacking it. But it killed something and it's eating it. And this is in my backyard. But I haven't posted a video in a while, and I seen this was going on. You got one up there that's screaming at it, but it's just sitting there. And I got a squirrel's nest there. I don't know if it got a squirrel. Well, that's my bird feeder off my shed. Those birds are getting closer to him. They're pissed. It might have got another bird. I don't know. It's eating something though. I hurried up and went back in the house to grab my phone and get this. But yeah, my bird feeder's right there off of my shed, my garden. Oh, see, it's flying off, dude. There, it's following it and attacking it. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was a rabbit, because we got lots of them in our neighborhood. Oh, there he is. There he is. He's coming back. Or no, maybe not. He's still right there. He's through the trees. But anyway, I don't see that every day in my backyard in a residential area. I got my tomato plants. I got the backside of that shed. I got potatoes. I got my corn, my onions, my cabbage, green beans, peas, cucumbers, peppers, lettuce, and little green onions. I got watermelon, cantaloupe this year growing. But I had wanted to show you guys that. I'll be going out shortly, probably in the next couple of days. My kids went up north with my mom and dad to the property up there and spending a couple weeks. So, but this is Venom Bigfoot signing off. Catch you on the flip side.